Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu. Hi friends, this is your Dr. BP alias Dr. Bapuji Pullepu. See, contour integration type 1, this is very good problem. Show that 0 to 2 pi integral runs over 0 to 2 pi d theta by a plus b cos theta is equal to 2 pi by root of a square minus b square, where a is greater than b is greater than 0. From this what you understand, a and b are the purely positive numbers. Okay, this I told you first type contain only sin and cos theta. Cos means some substitution, sin means some substitution. Then you can start how you write, put z is equal to that is 1 into e power a theta, radius is 1. Then my d theta become what I told. You don't worry how it's come, just take and remember, if you differentiate you will get, it's not a big issue. Dz by iz, correct or not? So there is no sin theta, just take and think about cos theta, right? What is the cos theta? Already I told you cos theta means what you will get from this 1 by 2 z plus 1 by z. So if I go back and substitute it here, my whole integration become integral over c. What is c here? Modulus z is equal to 1. D theta is equal to what? Dz by z divided by a plus b into 1 by 2 z plus 1 by z. Everything is right, you can write. Better always you can announce where c is modulus z is equal to 1. So everything satisfied or not? Where put z is equal to e power I theta, 1 into e power I theta, radius is 1, d theta is equal to dz by z, cos theta is equal to 1 by 2 z plus 1 by z. Suppose sin theta means how can I write? 1 by 2 by z minus 1 by z. Here only cos, I don't worry about the sin. Then whole integral become integral over c dz by z a into b plus 1 by 2 z plus 1 by z. Now this you can simplify, what you will get? So if I simplify, what I will get? C integral over c dz by z, then a plus this b by 2 we can take outside. Then if you simplify, what you will get? Z square plus 1 by z. Getting or not? Then again if you take whole LCM, where c is equal to what? Modulus z is equal to 1, that you should not forget it. Integral over c dz iz. If you take LCM, what you will get? 2z. Then this become 2az plus bz square plus b by z by 2z, that you should not forget it. Then this z cancel, this I by 2, it's become what? 2 by I integral c, should not forget this 2 by I also. Dz, just I will write in properly quadratic function, bz square plus 2az plus b. So somewhat I have brought some shape, getting or not? So substituting, simplifying. So what I will get actually? Now I want to factorize actually. 2 by I c integral c dz by bz square plus 2az plus b. See here I am not able to directly factorize. I can write the quadratic formula. Ax square plus bx plus c means what? Roots are what? Minus b plus r minus b square minus 4ac. Here who is my a actually? B. Who is my b? 2a. Who is my c? Capital B. Now here z is equal to, how can I write? Minus b minus 2a plus r minus b square 4a square minus 4ac minus 4b square by 2a 2b, correct or not? So This from this for to whole thing, if I cancel 2 means what is the balance? Minus a plus or minus root of a square minus b square by b. Now I got the 2 roots. Now I want to tell 2 roots c alpha comma b. Getting or not? Slowly I am doing. Then minus a plus root of a square minus b square by b. This you can say alpha. This you can call alpha. Then minus a minus of root of a square minus b is equal to beta. Now whole my equation how can I write? Because z square coefficient 1 means I can write z minus alpha into z minus beta. But here z square coefficient b, so I can write b into z minus alpha z minus b. When you write factors carefully, you can write. This is the roots are different, factor is different. So now my story will start. Who is inside the c? What is my c? Modulus z is equal to 1. One thing you can remember with blindly, 1 is plus, 1 is minus, guarantee inside, no doubt. Why, how, I will tell you. But both are minus, minus minus, guarantee it should be outside, no doubt. 100% sure for this problem, a greater than b, b greater than 0. Like this, if they are given 0 to 1 means what? 1 is minus, 1 plus is blindly inside, you can write. This alpha is inside modulus is equal to residue at alpha, you can find out. But thing is what, if you ask how can you say means what? See, this quadratic equation means what? Bz square plus 2az plus b. Product of the roots what you know? C by a. C by a is what? bb 1. So from this suppose alpha beta is equal to 1, that is b by b. Now alpha beta is equal to 1 means what? Guarantee beta is greater than means 1 is greater than 1. So should be is what? Alpha should be less than 1. Both are cannot be 1. Both are 1 only. It's 1 is less than 1 is. So otherwise you can see some values. A is equal to 3. B is equal to 2. You can check. Automatically it will satisfy. Don't worry. Just trust me. You can attack the problem. 1 is minus, 1 is plus, guarantee inside, no doubt. Now in these roots how can I sell? Right. Alpha is inside modulus z is equal to 1. So my whole problem become what? 2 by I dz by, it's very important. This b, if you forget, the whole thing will be collapse. Again and again tell me. B into how can I write? Z minus alpha, Z minus beta. Because b into z square is there my equation. So b into, if you leave this b means what? Whole problem become collapse. So this how can I write? This is what? This I got one shape or not? This whole thing I can write 2 pi I into sigma r. This whole f of z if you take. Now you can find residue at z is, if you want you can do. Finally you can multiply this. See dz by z minus alpha, z minus beta. Now we can find residue at alpha. Residue at alpha. Shall we above? If you find residue at alpha, what you will get? Residue at z is equal to alpha. Limit z tends to alpha, z minus alpha into f of z. This whole thing you can take f of z. If you want, you can keep finally multiply. No, I am confusing this. You can do better. So what I will let 2b by I z minus limit z tends to alpha. This is what? Z minus alpha. Then 1 by z minus alpha, z minus beta. These two fellows are cancelled. 2 by beta I, if you apply limit to 1 by alpha minus beta. What is my alpha? You are above. Minus a, okay, no doubt. 2b by a, 1 by alpha minus beta. Okay, this shall above here. What is alpha minus beta? minus a plus or minus root of a square minus b square by b minus of minus a minus of root of a square minus b square by b. If we simplify, what you will get actually? Minus a plus root of a square minus b square plus a plus root of a square minus b square b. This cancel. This is what? 2 into root of a square minus b square by b. So alpha minus b. Just you can substitute this, what you will get? 2 by bi. This what you will get? 2 into root of a square minus b square. This b will go. See how nicely coming. That is the beauty of the problem. 1 by 2 pi I root of a square minus b square. This is R1. Okay. Residue at beta, what you will get? 0. Because beta is outside. Residue at beta is what? Integral is what? 0. Vanish. Getting or not? Now what I will do? The whole integration become what actually? Integral c phi z dz is equal to what? 2 pi I into sigma r. This is equal to what actually? 2 pi I into this. 1 is 0. So 2 pi I into 1 by root of a square minus b square into I. Proved. But this fellow is equal to what actually? 0 to 2 pi. Problem is what? D theta by a plus b cos theta. Proved. Hence proved. Thank you for watching our channel. If you have any doubts, you can contact me at any time. Bye. Watching for our channel. Kindly share and subscribe. Be part of our service. We'll meet in next month's very important problem. Bye.